Are you a fan of smartwatches? Well, you'll be able to level up your wrist game with the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 series, which will be available very soon. What's up guys, Jose here from YugaTech, and today we'll be doing a quick look at Samsung's latest smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 6 series. Aside from the new Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 and Fold 5, there were other new exciting products revealed at the 2023 Galaxy Unpacked event. These include the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series and the product which we will be talking about in this video, the Galaxy Watch 6 series. Now, the new Galaxy Watch 6 series will come in two variants, the standard Watch 6 and the new Watch 6 Classic. But wait, there's no Galaxy Watch 6 Pro? Well, at the moment, it seems Samsung has appeared to drop the Pro name as compared to the previous Galaxy Watch 5. Instead, it seems the new Watch 6 Classic will be the replacement of the Pro variant. However, it's also possible Samsung might release a Watch 6 Pro later on. But enough of that, let's talk about the watches themselves. Starting with the standard Galaxy Watch 6, it looks nearly identical to the Watch 5, especially when they're both closed. Although it's a bit hard to tell, Samsung says the screen is 20% larger compared to before, and not to mention brighter. Samsung also says there's a bigger battery, and it runs a lot smoother as compared to its predecessor, although they did not disclose full details as of this moment. Like before, you get two buttons on the right side of the smartwatch which control the watch's interface. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 comes in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm, and it's also available in various colors to suit your needs and aesthetic. Between the two watches though, the Watch 6 Classic is the one we're more interested in. Aside from having larger sizes at 43mm and 47mm, the Watch 6 Classic also brings back a feature missing from the Watch 5 series, the rotating bezel. For some reason, Samsung decided to drop the rotating bezel on the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, but we're glad to see it back on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Not only does it make the watch look a lot nicer, but it also makes it easier to go through the menu. No longer do you have to swipe, instead you can use the rotating bezel as well as the buttons combined. As a result, you leave a lot less smudge and fingerprints on the display. Compared to the previous model that had a rotating bezel, Samsung says the bezel on the Watch 6 Classic is 30% slimmer and 15% thinner. This makes it easier to pair with your outfits since you don't have a super bulky smartwatch on your wrist. Although I feel you still have to consider since the Watch 6 Classic is relatively big for something that you put on your wrist. They do measure 43 and 47mm after all. Aside from the design, some of the big upgrades Samsung made to the new Galaxy Watch 6 series can be found in its features. Specifically, the new Watch 6 series has more health monitoring and fitness tracking features. One of these include in-depth sleep insights, which help users have a better understanding of their sleeping patterns. Another cool feature is personalized fitness coaching, which gives you a detailed breakdown of your body composition and more. You can even use it to track workouts and the like. Perfect if you're someone health conscious or just a gym buff. For users with health conditions, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 series seems like a great thing to have since it can monitor your blood pressure, ECG, heart rate, and even blood oxygen. There's even a fall detection system that can call for someone. Hopefully, we get to try our hands on the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic so we can try out the new features available. And at the same time, we want it to match our aesthetics and outfits. Although we're especially excited about the Watch 6 Classic since it marks the return of the rotating bezel. Now, at the time this video was recorded, Samsung has yet to release the price of the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Watch 6 Classic. Although we don't expect the price jump to be big as compared to the current prices of the Galaxy Watch 5. But do stay tuned as we will update the description of the video below once the price has been released. Or you can check out yugatech.com as well as our social media pages for updates on the price. So, if you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel to watch more, and click on that bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.